Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing dependencies and choosing a model. Install transformers and torch, then activate a Python 3.8+ virtual environment so packages stay isolated. Once done, pick the exact BERT checkpoint, BERT base uncased for general tasks, or a domain checkpoint for better performance. Next, set device to CUDA when available to speed training and inference. Make sure to import Auto Tokenizer and Auto Model for sequence classification, now so you can tokenize text and load weights in the next step. Now you load Tokenizer and Model and prepare input pipelines. Use Auto Tokenizer. From pretrained and tokenized batches with truncation, padding, and a sensible max length to avoid OOM. Once tokenized, create PyTorch datasets and data loaders to shuffle and batch inputs. For fine-tuning, choose Atom W, set a small learning rate, and add a linear scheduler with warm-up. You should monitor training and validation loss, compute accuracy, or F1 each epoch, and save the best checkpoint so you can resume or evaluate later. Finish by evaluating and exporting your trained BERT. Load the best checkpoint, run the model on the test set, and compute chosen metrics so you can quantify performance. Once satisfied, save model. Save pretrained and tokenizer. Save pretrained for deployment. If you deploy, convert to ONCs for performance or use Torch script. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hit out-of-memory errors, immediately reduce batch size, enable mixed precision, or use gradient accumulation. These steps often resolve memory issues without changing model quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.